Just relax for me and work through the cervico-thoracic junction. Perfect. You felt that, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Relax. Good. Lie on your back, please. Oh. Perfect. Give yourself a hug. Stretch across. Big movement. You felt that, didn't you? Lie on your side facing me. Other side, please. Perfect. Let's have you come up. Standing for me. Good. And forwards. Good. And back. Good. Look at that. Normal position. Turn to the left. Turn to the right. Good. Excellent.